Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the Hylian Shield from The Legend of Zelda. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the shape of the shield. Let's start at the top and let's draw an angled curve down, and the same on the right. Now for both ends, let's curve it down, meeting at a point at the bottom. Now that we have the shape of the shield, next let's move inside and draw the details, starting with the border. Let's start on top and let's draw two angles down and in. And then a line across the bottom. Now top inside and let's draw a line down the center. And then a small circle inside each of the sides. Now top outside and let's draw a curve along each of the tops, stopping here. Next underneath, let's draw an angle down and in, another angle down, and back up. Now inside this section, let's draw a circle on both sides. And then an angled line from the corner on top and below the circle. Now let's continue the border underneath by curving it down, stopping here, and the same on the other side. Now let's draw a rectangle piece going up, and then continue the curve down, leaving a gap at the bottom. Now to close off the bottom, let's draw two angles up and a line across the top. And now inside at the bottom, let's draw another circle, and then a line above and below it. And that's it for the border. Next let's move inside and draw the details. Let's start in the center at the top and let's draw a large triangle. And then let's hop inside and let's draw another one for a border. And then inside this one, let's draw a line at the top. And then two angles down underneath. Next, on top of the triangle, let's draw two small angles up, and then a V-shaped point on top. And now let's do the same thing from the bottom two corners. Next, let's hop to the sides and let's draw a curve up. Now from the bottom, let's draw a curve outwards. And then a long curve up and back down. Now from the top of the inside line, let's draw a small angle down, and then another curve up and back down like this. Now at the bottom, let's draw another small line down. And then one more curve to close off each shape. Next, let's hop down in the middle and let's draw a curve down like this, and another one next to it on the right. And then draw a bumpy line down to the center from both sides. Next, let's leave a gap and let's draw another 2 curves down. Bring it out and angle it back in. And then let's draw another set of bumps down, and then one more coming to a point. Next, let's hop to the sides and add the wings. Let's start with a set of small curves here, and then from the top, let's curve it upwards. Now from the top, let's draw a small curve down. Now for the end, let's draw an angle out, bring it down, and back in. Now let's do the same on the right. Then underneath, let's draw a small curve down. And now let's add 3 more parts to the wings in the same way, getting smaller as we go down. And then close off the end of the wing by connecting it to the beginning. And that's it for the wings. Lastly, underneath, let's draw the feet. Let's start with a curve up on an angle from both sides. Then for the inside line, let's draw a small curve down, and then a larger curve out from the outside. And then close it off with a curve underneath like this. And that's it for the Hylian Shield. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!